William Yeung, founder, chief instructor. William Yeung was born and raised in Kowloon, Hong Kong. As a youngster, he loved martial arts and studied judo, karate, Southern-style kung fu, taekwondo, and boxing. When he played with his friends, they would often try out the styles and techniques they had learned in their martial arts classes. William began to see, even then, that some techniques were more effective than others. His other love was the ocean. When he turned 18, he joined the Chinese Merchant Marines so he could travel the ocean and see the world. Life on board the ship involved a lot of physical labor, and some of his shipmates taught him Qigong exercises that helped him survive the hard labor. In 1972, he came to America and worked in his uncle's Chinese restaurant in the Midwest. In his free time, he took judo classes. When he was sparring with the other students, the variety of martial arts he had learned in Hong Kong and on board ship made it difficult for the other students to get William off balance, using only the techniques they had learned in their judo class. In 1974, he moved to Sacramento, California, and helped his brother in his art gallery. He also took oil painting and picture framing classes. Eventually, he started his own custom framing shop in Fairfield, California. In order to sell more paintings, he went to fairs all over the United States and Canada, stretching canvases on frames and stapling them in place as fast as he could. Eventually, framing caused a repetitive use injury, which left William unable to use his left arm. Although he sought help from doctors, chiropractors, and acupuncturists, nothing they offered helped him. Still having a family to feed and put through school, he began applying the Qigong exercises he had learned while in the Chinese Merchant Marines, and ultimately worked through his injury. He began an in-depth study of Tai Chi when he found Master Mrs. Kuo in San Francisco and studied Tai Chi with her on a one-on-one basis. Further study with Master Jane Wu in Oakland demonstrated to him how helpful Tai Chi is because it focuses on breathing, well-being, and is also an effective martial arts technique. After teaching Tai Chi in the Fairfield and Vacaville area since January of 1997, he decided to produce this series of DVDs with a few of his advanced students. Having watched many Tai Chi instructional tapes and DVDs, he found most of them did not really have enough information for those people who want to study this martial art in depth. With this series of DVDs, many more people will have the opportunity to learn and benefit from this exercise system and live healthier and happier lives. Ultimately, this will help to develop harmony and peace on earth.